Install the welded double inline connector in the same manner as any other Evolve connector. You will notice that the end panels have threaded metal inserts while the middle panels have through holes. The smaller machine screws are for the end panels. The long bolts are for the middle panels. As a general rule, the flat attachment bracket on the bottom shall be installed tight with the bracket's teeth facing down. The top bracket shall be installed loosely and with the bracket's teeth up. The middle panel requires brackets on both sides. When installing the work surface brackets, be sure to use a provided washer. Do not over-tighten the brackets so when the work surface will be installed, they will level out. This thin PVC trim can only be installed on the outside of the workstations. Slide it from the top of the panels. There will be two different lengths of top trim for this configuration. The quantity of the longer top trim should match the quantity of the welded double inline connector. Remember to use the top trim leveler to ensure the trims are aligned.